Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Mel and today I thought I'd do a 5-minute makeup challenge. So this one was recommended by my friend Danny. I wasn't sure if I'd be able to do it, but I have a 5-minute timer on my phone. I have my makeup laid out in front of me and I'm just going to give it a go. It's probably going to end up atrocious. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 different products in 5 minutes. I might go get my ears real quick and then I'll be with you. Makeup is out. I've just got to hope that I don't knock my camera over at the same time. I have my mirror here all ready for me. Ready, steady, go. Oh my god, that's like the lightest coat of foundation ever. Eyebrows. So that's primer, foundation. Usually I do my eyebrows first, but for some reason I thought I'd whack my foundation on. And now it's not sitting on top of the foundation. Oh dear. Really bad. Okay, how long have we got? 3 minutes 34 seconds left. We can do this, this is fine. Concealer. Let's put some under here. And there you go. I think the best thing about this video is that there is going to be no editing required. Oh my god, did you see that? My foundation just went everywhere. Okay, right, well I'm going to have to clean that up now. I don't even know. Oh no, it's literally gone all over my face. Oh no. Right, let's just powder that out. Oh my god. So most of that just went in my eye. I'm looking very pale. Half my powder's gone on my leg. Quick. How long have we got? 1 minute 50. Right, that's contour. That's blush. That's some eyeshadow. Let's put a bit of pink in there. Right, that's eyeshadow. Fluffy brush. There's a bit of highlight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 1 bronze my face up. We're doing okay, we're doing okay. Right. Some eyeliner. Let's get some eyeliner on. What's really annoying is I don't even think that's the worst eyeliner I've ever done. Mascara. I mean, it's going everywhere. Seven seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Done. Let me get a bit closer. So, I mean, half my eyeshadow and my eyeliner's everywhere. Same on this side. My foundation's blended. My lipstick is like missing off my arch there. My contour and highlight isn't too bad. And I'm cheating rubbing my lips together now, aren't I? Okay, so I'm going to choose my primer, my foundation, my powder, primer, foundation, powder, concealer, highlight, blush, contour, bronze, eyeshadow, eyeliner, mascara, and a tiny bit of lipstick. Not bad. Okay, anyway, that's that video done. Done and dusted. It's just a bit of fun, 5-minute watch, isn't it? Anyway, if you'd like to see that video, you know what to do, hit the like button. If you'd like to see the video, no, you've already seen the video. I don't know. Okay, if you like that video, you know what to do, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more. Challenge me to something else down below because it's funny. Why not? And yeah, check out some of my other videos. Until next time, goodbye!